What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Nomadic Inc. channel. I'm James Showers, of course. Cleanest name in the biz. Today, we're going over the stock profile. Every week, I'm throwing $100 in on Monday, and then sometimes I throw a little bit more in if I find a stock that I like. But I've consistently been putting $100 in at least, and we're up to $1,300 in the stock account, and we're positive. Well, we were positive about $50 at one point, and today we're down about 23. Here's where we're sitting at right now at this point in time. And what we're also dealing with when we're seeing the stock profile is I sold a few stocks out. I put a stop loss on a few stocks that were up high, and now everything's kind of going down low, so I'm thinking about swooping back in and buying some stuff. But if we look at this section right here, I have $800 roughly, 8 something in stocks, and about $460 in actual cash. So right now I actually have a bunch of buying power because I sold those stocks before, putting the $100 in a week. Oh, I only can buy 4 stocks. I can only buy 5 stocks. Well, a couple of those stocks ended up going up, and I had a fairly decent position of 10 to 20 stocks, which gained me anywhere from $5 to $20 on each one of these little positions that I sold out on. And then I threw some money into some other stocks. Bought these I bought some oil ETFs, and the bad choice. Okay, so we're just gonna sit on that money for a little bit. Just $100 over there, but they're down, so they're bringing my account down way hard. But a lot of other stocks are down right now. Some of those cannabis stocks, I'm looking to, I don't know if I want to buy these on the low. It's tempting because I think they're really undervalued right now, and they could definitely go up to a point where you could get your money back. I mean, a few of them here, we'll throw them on the screen. A few of them right here, as you can see, are down pretty low, under $5. Like, seems reasonable to get a few of these stocks at, what could be pennies right now, because when you look at Canopy Growth, they're sitting at 24 at the moment, but I sold them out at 28, and I'm almost thinking about buying them in again because I think they could eventually get back up to that $40-$50 range that they were at. They got some really high named investors, and maybe those guys might just buy them out in the long run. Like, I don't know, there's some things that could be happening there that's probably going to be like 5 years, 10 years, you know what I mean, out in the future. And if you get into these stocks right now at what, $4, $5, sounds like, you could make some money. It's a potential to make some money. But do I want to put my money there, or do I want to put my money in some dividend stocks? Now, I already have a few dividend stocks right now that I'm basically generating around $3 to $4 each month on some monthly dividend stocks. That doesn't seem like a lot, but if I put some of this money in there, I can start getting that up to about $20 every month. So should I concentrate on more of a dividend portfolio where I can see money coming in and I can use that money to reinvest to make more money coming in, or should I just take this little bit of money and buy some of these on the dip right now and hope that they pay off in a little while, and then we can go ahead and slowly start building this dividend portfolio? Because that's kind of where I kind of want to lean towards that, but at the same time, like, some of these stocks that like shoot up, it's very enticing. You want to do it. Like, it's pretty fun messing with this money. All right, I'm back. It's raining out here. It's been a crazy week. I'm getting some laundry going, getting all the rest of my chores set up, and I thought I'd go ahead and wrap this up. So I went ahead and bought some more cannabis stocks. Everything dipped down pretty low this week, and I couldn't resist. I also bought some more dividend stocks, and boom, these are the stocks I got right now. I'll show you kind of just a screenshot. These right here are basically my dividend stocks. Okay, they look pretty cool. These ones right here, these are going to be my cannabis stocks. Okay, and I do at the bottom there, I think I have like an oil ETF that I'm not too happy about. It didn't work out very well for me, so I'm going to hold on to that for a while. My plan with the cannabis stocks, okay, I want to get like 100 shares in each one of these groups, and I just want to sit on them 5 years, 10 years, I don't know, whatever. Once they actually mature enough to cash out, that's when they'll cash out. Maybe they might even turn into dividend paying stocks in the future. I don't really know. I just think that some of them are down at $3, $4, and I don't think they're going to just drop down to nothing. They're going to continue on as the global markets accept cannabis products. That's where you'll see the growth later. So I'm planning on getting 100 shares in each one of these cannabis stocks right here. Basically the Oragram or Organogram, the Aurora Cannabis, and I've got Cannatrust in there too. They're pretty cheap. I'm slowly building a position, but I don't really, it's just cheap stock. I don't know, kind of buying it, but I kind of feel more about the first two, the Aurora Cannabis and the I always Organigram, I don't know, whatever, those two. And then we have Canopy Growth. Now they're the major player right here. They've got people like Martha Stewart and Snoop Dogg invested from the company, from like a third-party company that's invested. So a lot of people feel like you can get to a certain point and this other company's just gonna, you know, take them over or buy them out or something. So it's still a good play. And today it got all the way down to 23.70, right? And then it spiked almost to it hit 25 today after that point. So like if you were doing day trading and you had enough money in your account to do day trade, that would have been a good play for you. You would have made $1 something a share. You know, if you were able to buy the 100 shares, you'd be doing pretty good. I don't know, that's only $100, but still, we're small potatoes right now, right guys? So slowly build my position in there. They're more expensive, so it's taking me a little bit longer. I think I have 10 shares in there now, not very much. So it's a slow position build, but that's one that could actually take off. It's been up to $50 a share. When we look over here, this is the Canopy Growth, and they've got, right here, as you can see, they got a 52-week high, and then you can see your 52-week low in those numbers right there. And so that's basically what you're going to want to really look for when you're trying to at least guesstimate what the price should be for that stock. Now, do a little bit more research, you know, put in their ticker symbol. You can get a lot of info just on like the Seeking Alpha app that I use, or even NASDAQ.com or any of these other sites. Just type in the ticker symbol, do a little bit of research yourself before you just buy them, you know. But that's just kind of like a formula I use to figure out, am I overpaying or am I underpaying? What's the 52-week high? What's the 52-week low? All right, so that's where I'm at right now. A lot of these are going to be long-term plays. I'm basically long on all these cannabis positions. And then when we're talking about a lot of these dividend positions, I'm working on building them up too. What I'd like to do is get to where I get at least $30 every month. I'm trying to build a little bit more of the monthly dividend portfolio, and then I'll slowly start working into the quartered dividend companies. So I just want to get to where I'm getting at least $30 a month right now to reinvest. It doesn't seem like a lot, but if I can get at least $30 a month to trickle back, that's more stocks every month. And then eventually get to where I got $100 every month coming, I can buy a couple more stocks. So it's slow go right now, but eventually, hopefully, you know, this will be a little bit more exciting instead of like a couple dollars every month or a little bit of gains. It'll be something a little bit more fun, you know, bigger losses, bigger gains. But right here, boom, this is my account right now where we're sitting 1,800 and a little bit of change. We're basically down in the portfolio right now, but we've got a lot of stocks that are down, and as soon as they at least make it to the average where I feel like they should be, we'll be springing back up. And as soon as these cannabis stocks take off, which, you know, they might, we've got some problems on the horizon with like vaping and some other stuff like that, but I think a lot of that's going to eventually get, you know, weeded out. Pun intended. All right, listen, let me know what you guys think about these stock profiles. I'm going to try putting together a 10 monthly dividend stocks to buy or something video, and then we'll kind of work from there doing different stock related videos. I know this isn't exactly the channel for it, but it's fun. I like doing it. Hopefully you guys like doing it. Hopefully it's fun for you guys. Stalks are fun. They're exciting for me. So, listen, like, share, subscribe. See you on the next video. Peace.